Hi, it's Ismail. Today I and my group members will be presenting about application of steam usage in steel factory, which is I myself, Raghuwara Analaki Rahis, Muhammad Arif, and Muhammad Arif bin Muhammad Ishamuddin, and Izzah Sakinah binti Abdul Zawawi. So for the first slide, let me introduce about the steel mill. A steel mill is an industrial plant where steel is manufactured. Steel is an alloy of carbon and iron. Usually, the steel is produced, iron is reduced or smelted with coke and limestone. This is done in a blast furnace and the result is iron. So, the main particular component that we would like to discuss in this presentation slide is about the boiler and boiler usage in steel mills. Before we talk about boiler, let me tell the definition of boiler. Boiler are closed vessels that offer a heat transfer surface between combustion product and water. A boiler adds energy to a feed water supply to produce steam in generation section. The energy is released as a result of burning of fossil fuels of the generation of process waste heat. Boilers are commonly used in manufacture of pulp and paper, the generation of energy, and the processing of mills. As the size and the requirement for increased performance of the boiler system grows, so does the complexity. So the main boilers that are used in the industries are fire tube boiler and water tube boiler. So here you can see the fire tube boiler image. The heat released from the fire and those heat are transferred to the tube to produce the steam. Okay, then this fire tube boiler consists of a series of straight tubes that are housed inside a water-filled outer shell. Fire tube boiler also to avoid the need for a thick outer shell, fire tube boilers are used for lower pressure application. Most modern fire tube boilers have cylindrical outer shell with a small combustion chamber located inside the bottom of the shell. So that's all from me. The next set, my group member will be present.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Arif Muhammad Syamuddin, 08 DKM 19F 1139. Next, water tube boiler. Water tube boilers are designed to calculate hot combustion gases around the outside of a large number of water-filled tubes. 8 tubes. The tubes extend between an upper header called a steam drum and one or more lower headers or drums. In older designs, the tubes are either straight or bent into simple shapes. Newer boilers have tubes with complex and diverse bends. Because the pressure is confined inside the tubes, water tube boiler can be fabricated in larger size and used for higher pressure applications. Small water tube boilers, which have one and sometimes two burners, are generally fabricated and supplied as package unit. Because of their size and weight, large water tube boilers are often fabricated in pieces and assembled in the field. Almost any solid, liquid or gaseous fuel can be burned in a water tube boiler. Lastly, for me, usage of steam boiler in steel mill. Process steam is a broad word for steam that is used in process applications such as a source of energy for process heating, cooling, pressure control and mechanical drives, among other things. Process steam is a common word of energy conveyance that may come into contact with the end process or product. Steam, like compressed air, is frequently seen as a utility that is created in a central place and then supplied to numerous locations of usage throughout the steel factory. The saturation temperature at atmospheric pressure is 100 degrees Celsius. However, increasing the pressure allow for the injection of additional heat and a rise in temperature without a change in phase. As a result, increasing the pressure raises both the enthalpy of water and the saturation temperature. That's all from me. Thank you.